In this session, let us learn about HTML order lists. HTML order lists. The HTML OL tag defines an order list. An order list can be numerical or alphabetical. An order list starts with the OL tag. Each list item starts with the LI tag. The list items will be marked with numbers by default. See the code and example result. See, by writing and executing this code using OL tag and LI tag, see, an order list HTML list was formed. Bike, flower, car with numbers 1, 2, 3. Ordered HTML lists the type attributes. The type attributes of the OL tag define the type of the list item marker. See type and description. Type is equal to 1. The list items will be numbered with the numbers default. Type A. The list items will be numbered with uppercase letters. Type small a. The list items will be numbered with lowercase letters. Type uppercase numerical number. The list items will be numbered with uppercase Roman numbers. Type small I. The list items will be numbered with lowercase Roman numbers. See the code and result. Now we are using type 1. Order list with numbers. Bike, flower, car. See, order list with numbers was formed 1, 2, 3. Uppercase letters. Now we are using type A here, OL here. See, now bike, flower, car, the order list with letters A, B, C was formed. Capital A, capital B, capital C. Uppercase letters was formed. Lowercase letters. Now we are using lowercase a. See here by flower, car, order list with lowercase letters was formed. By writing and executing this code, C is formed. Uppercase Roman numbers. Now we are using uppercase Roman numbers here. Order list with Roman numbers. Type uppercase Roman number I, bike, flower, car. See order list with Roman numbers 1, 2, 3 first formed. Lowercase Roman numbers. Now we are using lowercase I. See by using type here, order list with lowercase numbers formed. By writing and executing this code, this small lowercase I, lowercase double I, lowercase 3 formed. Control list counting. By default and order, list will start counting from 1 if you want to start counting from a specified number. You can use the start attribute. See here, by writing and executing this code, the start attribute, by default an order list will start continuing from 1. Use the start attribute to start continuing from a specified numbers. Now we have started from 50. See here, bike, flower, car, and OL type I start with 50. See here, lower and numeric number and also using numbers. By default and order, list will start counting from 1. Use the start attribute to start counting from a specified number. See here up you find with numbers and lower we can find uppercase numeric numbers. Bike, flower, car. Nested HTML list. List can be nested list inside list. See here by writing and executing code, a nested list can be nested list inside list. See here OL bike, flower, again OL black flower, green flower, again we are using OL tag car. A list item LI can contain a new list and other HTML elements like images and links, etc. See by writing and executing this code, we got this nested list. 1 bike, 2 flower, inside black flower, green flower, and again 3 car. Chapter summary. Use the HTML OL elements to define an order list. Use the HTML type attributes to define the numbering type. Use the HTML LI elements to define a list item. Lists can be nested. List items can contain other HTML elements. Here again tag and description. UL tag defines an unordered list. OL defines an ordered list. LI defines a list item. DL defines a description list. DT defines a term in description list. DD describes the term in the description list. Okay friends, this is the end of HTML ordered lists. In next video let us learn about another topic, other lists. If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.